How does Xiaomi Mi TV Stick work? The Xiaomi Mi TV Stick is a portable streaming device that plugs into a TV's HDMI port, turning it into a smart TV. It runs on Android TV OS, allowing users to stream movies, shows, and apps from the Google Play Store. It also supports Google Assistant, Chromecast, and voice commands, making it easy to use. 1. Plug-and-play setup and connectivity. The Mi TV Stick is a compact device that plugs directly into an HDMI port on any TV or monitor. It connects to the internet via Wi-Fi, enabling users to stream content without additional hardware. 2. Android TV OS and pre-installed apps. The device runs on Android TV, giving access to Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and over 5,000 apps from the Google Play Store. The interface is user-friendly, allowing easy navigation with the included Bluetooth remote. 3. Chromecast and screen mirroring. With built-in Chromecast, users can cast videos, music, and photos from their smartphones, tablets, or laptops directly to the TV. This feature eliminates the need for extra cables or hardware. 4th, voice control and Google Assistant integration. The Mi TV Stick supports Google Assistant, allowing users to search for content, control smart home devices, and manage playback using voice commands. The remote also has a dedicated Google Assistant button for quick access. 5. Full HD streaming and audio support. The standard Mi TV Stick supports Full HD 1080p resolution with HDR for improved picture quality. It also features Dolby and DTS surround sound for an immersive audio experience. 6. Compact design and portability. The Mi TV Stick is lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry while traveling. Users can plug it into any TV with an HDMI port, turning it into a smart TV instantly. The Xiaomi Mi TV Stick provides a cost-effective way to upgrade any TV, offering Android TV apps, Chromecast, voice control, and full HD streaming. Its plug-and-play setup and portability make it a versatile and user-friendly streaming solution.